Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's October bullet journal. I'm really excited. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Full disclosure, there were actually quite a few mistakes in here, which you will see. I do rectify them, I fix them, but they are there. Here I'm just showing you the colors. That color was 912. That color there is not a Tombow, but it is the color Golden Ochre in Artist Loft, and that yellowy one is 991. If you don't know, Artist Loft is the Michaels brand of kind of the Tombow dupes, and I'm basically looking for this green, which is number 158. Love this color. Then I have a pencil and eraser because I have to create the outline of the month. I can't just do it from my mind. This actual layout and front page was taken from at the Coffee Nest, and I loved it. I saw it on Pinterest and decided to recreate it, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So mistake number one happens right here. I realized that October 1st started on Tuesday and not on a Monday. So I get creative and I kind of block out the Sunday and Monday to show that October started on a Tuesday. I'm not mad at how it turned out. It was the best way to fix that little error, and it worked. I feel like if I just showed you the finished product, you would understand. Like, I think it translated well. But yeah, mistake number one. Here is where the real planning begins. So if you are new to my channel, or maybe you just didn't know, I'm Canadian, and in the land of the North, Canadian land, Canada, we celebrate Thanksgiving in October, typically the second week. Actually, it's always the second week of October, and I love it. I mean, I grew up with it that way. Here I'm just writing down an appointment, obviously, but I just want to mention I switched to this blue pen, which I've been using. I don't absolutely love the formula or the pen itself, but it is an eraser pen. It is a Pilot friction point pen. It's kind of like a gel pen. Usually I like rollerball ink, not gel, but I like that I can erase this because, as you can see, I do make mistakes. I am not perfect, and being able to erase pen is awesome because I don't really like using pencil. So enjoy my monthly planning. I was trying to rack my brain and figure out what I have. This will definitely be filled up by the end of the month, but I just have like an overview for now. here is mistake number 2. Now I am just coloring in those leaves, but underneath the weekly spread, I was really excited about this. So I have the letters, the Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then behind it, I have the numbers of the week. But when I was doing this outline, I wasn't really thinking, and I just put 1 under Sunday, 2 under Monday, 3 under so on. You know, you get it. But actually, October started on a Tuesday, so the first should have been under the Tuesday. I didn't realize that till the end, so I kind of tried to fix it. I was okay with how it turned out. I think if I had really taken a moment and done like the kind of messy coloring in, it would have turned out better, but I think I salvaged it. So I'm just telling you that. I still like how this spread is. I'm gonna try this out. I haven't really done this type of spread. It's a little more narrow, not as much space, but I kind of really am loving it. So I will let you know if I keep that for next month or not. And that is all she wrote, folks. Literally. I hope that you enjoyed this October bullet journal video and plan with me. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again in another video. Bye, guys.